Every morning, Monkey wakes up and checks his banana account before brushing his teeth. Monkey grabs his bag and swings off to work. He trades time for bananas hour after hour. By sunset, Monkey's tired, but proud. Hard work pays, he says, until payday comes and the cycle starts again. Fresh bananas hit the account, Monkey celebrates. He rushes to the market, buys shiny trinkets, fancy vines, designer leaves. Every swipe feels like success. But slowly, the banana account gets lighter, and the month gets longer. End of the month, Monkey checks again. Bananas, almost gone. He sighs, waiting for the next bunch to drop. Same work, same stress, same hunger. Monkey began watching the wealthy monkeys closely. What made them different? Monkey realized something huge. They don't trade their time for bananas. Their bananas trades for more bananas. The more Monkey observed, the clearer it became. He was part of a banana treadmill. Work, eat, sleep, repeat. So Monkey sat down under the moon and drew a plan in the dirt. It had 4 parts: grow, protect, sustain, enjoy. Or as Monkey called it, the 25-15-50-10 rule. He didn't know it yet, but this rule would set him free. 25% grow, monkey plants, banana trees. Monkey sat under the moon and thought hard. Every month bananas came in, and every month bananas vanished. Monkey finally whispered, "Monkey must make bananas grow more bananas." So he made a rule. 25% of every banana is planted. Not spent, not wasted, planted. Monkey dug tiny holes in the soil, dropped seeds, watered them, waited. He chose simple things: banana index baskets, banana huts, banana skills. Not exciting, not shiny, just steady. Days passed, nights passed. Monkey worked, but his banana seeds worked too. One morning Monkey smiled to himself. Monkey doesn't need more jobs. Monkey needs more workers, even if workers are bananas.
15% protect, emergency banana stash. Monkey remembers the great market fall of 2008. Bananas vanished. Savings shrank. Strong trees toppled in a single season. Monkey watched older monkeys panic, selling everything, borrowing bananas, paying back double. Fear spread through the jungle faster than the crash itself. Monkey whispers to himself, "Never again." So Monkey makes a new rule. 15% of all bananas go into a safety stash. Not touched, not traded, not gambled, just calm.
50% sustain, the real essentials. Monkey opened his spending list and winced. Banana toys, fancy vines, shiny leaf clothes. Monkey shook his head. Monkey doesn't need this. So he stripped life down to basics: a safe branch, clean water, food, simple vine transport, simple leaves to wear. Everything else? Ego bananas. Monkey locked living at 50%, even when he earned more. Monkey refused to let life explode into nonsense. He finally understood. Wealthy monkeys stay wealthy because they don't let bananas leak from tiny holes. 10% enjoy, joy bananas. Monkey knew the jungle wasn't just work and worry, so he saved 10% for joy. Banana cake with friends, little trips, small gifts, moments that made Monkey's heart warm. Joy bananas kept Monkey alive inside, kept Monkey moving, stopped Monkey from quitting. Monkey believed one thing deeply: a monkey with no joy becomes a monkey who stops trying. And this monkey? He keeps going. Monkey's transformation. Days turned to weeks, weeks turned to seasons. Monkey's trees grew tall, his safety stash grew deep, his stress shrank smaller. End of the month came, But Monkey didn't panic anymore. He wasn't trapped in the work, spend, worry loop. He climbed to a higher branch, watched the jungle glow beneath him, and smiled. Monkey finally understands. It's not how many bananas Monkey earns, it's how Monkey uses every banana. Monkey's rule was simple: grow, protect, sustain, enjoy. Simple, but not always easy.